Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Smith, the Black Quant Edge VTF here at T3 Live, and this is a little follow-up. You may recall in the year of our Lord, January 1st, 2018, shown a supermoon in the sky, and the truth was revealed about technical analysis and the three universal scenarios. What's happened since then? Well, since then, we've had a blood moon, which means from the Greek island of Patmos there has been a revelation. It is time. Judgment Day. With the recent spike in volatility, what you've been seeing is people who thought they knew what they were doing deleting their Twitter accounts and having no answers on what to do. Totally floundering, no answers. Let's take a look. Here's the SPY. Oh no, we start off the year. What do we got here? Oh, I can't buy them up here. They're too overbought on my oscillator. I can't get up there. No, it's too overbought. And then what happens? We come into February. And oh no, maybe I can buy the dip. I can't buy the dip. Oh no. Peak. Maybe I can buy the dip. And then we drop down 666. I can't find any support lines. I'm trying to draw them, but they keep smashing through them. And then when they gap down in here, what are they saying? Oh, I wanted to buy the dippy, but it's running too fast and I can't get it in my squiggly line. Can't catch up fast enough and I can't chase it here. That's what you've been seeing, right? So that's what you've been seeing on Twitter or hearing on the news. Oh, you got to wait for things to calm down or what? Either that or that's happening to you. All right? And getting floundering on that. So the time has come for technical analysis. Can you trade stuff like that? Judgment. For spreading the lies of technical analysis, teaching people to trade on false beliefs, causing deleted Twitter accounts, blown up trading accounts, widespread anguish. Crucifixion was just the beginning of your suffering. I sentence you to an eternity of wailing and gnashing of teeth after being hurled into pools of burning sulfur forever and ever. Burn! Burn! And now for the truth. Truth. Have the prophecies been fulfilled? Let's take a look, shall we? SPY opens January. Here. Like so. Opens on the low and starts running. Full time frame continuity to the upside. If we take a look at the daily, what do we see? Here. How did we open up the month? Did we talk about the 2-1 reversal? Outside bar countered by a 2? That's it. The initial breakout of the month. Was the weekly? Not quite inside. It was a 2-2 reversal. What did it do for the rest of the month? 2, 2, 2, 2. Goes out on the highs of the month. How did it do so? Inside day. 1, 2. And then the finishing off here, inside day. Does an inside day call the high? Did I say in the greatest story ever sold a reversal would be L2, 1, 2? I did. Did it happen? It did. Now, if we go to here, inside day, is that a scenario 1? It is. Do we look for a 1-2 breakout? We do. Boom. Was that down 666 in one day? It was. Why was it also important? Here, did I discuss the 2-2 reversal? I did, which means the 1-2 daily broke here. 280.68. Where was the low of the previous week? Here, 280, 11. Daily, weekly reversal, immediate. And then people say, maybe they've gone too far. Maybe I could try and buy the dip. Can ya? Monthly goes 2-2 below 267.40. If we go back to our 60, anything around 267.40, well, here you got your inside 60 all the way up here, right there, 274.73. Bam, 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 bam. Puke. All right. Now, if we go back to our daily, there's the puke, there's the continuation. Now, we gap down into here. All right. People say it's a turnaround Tuesday. No, it's not, because it didn't take out the highs nor the opening of the week. What that did was a two lower low rally back. Can you catch that? You can, because you have daily and 60 time frame continuity going to the upside. So anytime that 60 is green, you're in there. Even caught the nice 2-2 reversal for the end of the day. 2, 2. So you remember multiple bar patterns. So you let them get chopped up a bit. Then you go 2-2 with the high, this 2 being higher than that. Boom. 2-2 reversal back up. Oh no. What is this? Is this an inside 60? It is. Is that going to call the high on this move? It did. 1, 2. Oh, is this an outside bar? 3-2. 3-2 continuation. Puke. Inside. 1-2 down. Yes. How about the absolute low? Did we talk about once something goes outside and then comes back, its potential 3? We did. So that means when that took out that and went back green, you get in on here. See? Down there. Let's go back to the daily. What happened? Ooh, the turnaround Tuesday tried to go 2 and continue to come up to take out the opening or the highs. Couldn't do it. When did it not do that? On the 60, when it causes it to come back and go daily shooting star, like everything else in the world. What does that mean? That means when it takes that out, you got your 2-2 reversal back to the downside. Is it also taking out the monthly and the weekly lows for or the weekly continuation 2 and the monthly 2-2 reversal with full time frame continuity to the downside? It is. Was there every reason to be short here? There was. And you can see the 60s for a very easy entry. How about reversing off the lows? Do you have to take the SPY? No. We can look for actionable signal 2-2 stuff that might be a little more volatile. I don't know. How about a Labu? Nice hammer 2-2 reversal here in 1 hour 70, blasting up $10 into 80. And this is just a handful. They go on all over the place. Now, how about the prophecies that we talked about here? One of them in The Greatest Story Ever Sold. You'll recall I used the VNQ inside year as an example of a 1. No trading. Now, it goes 1, 2, breaks out, and a month and not even a half in, it has already moved more than it moved in the entire year on the 1-2 breakdown. What else, pray tell, may have got you into the VNQ and the short the REITs? 3-2 monther to start the year, that would do it. 3-2 down. If you go to the weekly, 2-2 reversal. Smash them, crush them. Anything else? We could basically look at anything because, like I said, everything's a universal. Here, if we take a look at Delta, inside week, scenario 1, 1-2, momentum shooting star breakdown. Is there anything else that would cause us to want to be in this? There is. Monthly 2-2 reversal below that. Daily 2-2 reversal back to the downside. See you later. How about Slumberjay? Slumberjay, what'd you do this year? Started off the year real nice. the 2 continuation up into here. But oh no, what happened? RevStrat. The 1, 2, 2 reversal. Peak. Was that important? Mm-hmm. Came down and took out last month's lows for the 2-2 reversal below 67.60. Did you have any help from the daily? You did. Inside day right here. That takes out 69.62. How about ExxonMobil? ExxonMobil. How about the weekly? Ooh, when it takes out the previous highs week and comes back into the previous range, is that a potential 3? Sure enough is. Did it go 3? It did. Do we look for a 3-2 continuation? We do. 3-2. Peak. Did also help some monthly? Did. Went 2-2 reversal right here. Below 83.66. How about CCI? Took out last month's highs and gets back into the range. Is that a potential 3? It is. Do we have a way to get in on that? I think we do. Weekly, 2-2 reversal, below 108.66. Could we make it even easier? Yep. Let's go inside day, scenario 1 into 2 to take care of business. Peak. How about Tesla? What did Tesla do? Tesla started off as an inside week. Didn't want to do anything right away. Stalemate to start off the month, which means either way you're going to have full time frame continuity the downside. Inside down, 1-2, below 338.28. How about on the daily? Takes out one side of the range, but then gets back in and goes red. Is that potential 3? It is. Puke. How about Philip Morris? Philip Morris. Monthly. The 1-2 down below 67.65. How about the weekly? Inside down. 1-2 below 68.46. Then she rallies back. Does it let you back in? Sure enough does. 2-2-2 reversal with a shooting star below 66.27. How about Facebook? Ew. Inside day on the highs of ever. I wonder what that could do. Monthly. Did we take out the higher high of last month and come back into the range and go red on the month? We did. Weekly. When it breaks below 181.84, is that a 2-2 reversal? It is. Can we get help from the daily? I think we can. Inside day, 1-2, 179.95. You can take care of business. Now, this all fine and dandy, you might say. It's like, Rob, how about if we just wanted, since they were down so much, maybe we'd like to get the long side. LITE. Low of the month here, 42.60. 41.95 this month. Does that mean when we get back in here that's a potential 3? It does. Does it mean when we get back into the range of last week it's a potential reversal too? When we got back into 43.85? It did. Did it kick back into full time frame continuity above the opening, 44.50? It did. Was there a way to get in on this if we use, like I say, a 60-minute chart? You bet. Inside 60 takes care of business all the way up from there. How about TripAdvisor? Did it take out the last month's lows? It did. By 2 cents. And then come back in. On the daily, is that a 1 followed by a 2 and a 2? That's a 1-2-2 RevStrat reversal. Good going to the upside. Kaboom. Did I talk about Granger in the greatest story ever sold? I did. Remember? We talked about doing an outside year last year, showing you how to catch that inside monther up here, the quarterly off of here, going 2 quarter to start the year, all right? Here was that monthly. Inside month comes back down, starts powering up, starts off the year. The 3-2 takes it into new highs. Did it do that? It did. And how about the VIX products? In my course, do I say there's two instances, two conditions that you can go long VXX or short SVXY or XIV? I do. Those two conditions, backwardation and the VIX options. Did we have it? We did. Full time frame continuity, the downside in the SPY? We did. XIV, let's take a look. Not a bad tick. That's a 2-2 reversal monthly with full time frame continuity to the downside, but the options in backwardation. Now, that broke at 110. Was there enough time to get in on that? You bet there was. Boom. Takes it out here. Gone. Vaporized. Exactly as I told you. So now the time has come. Judgment, the truth. Have the prophecies been fulfilled? They have. Well done, my good and faithful servant. Oh, happy day. Welcome to heaven. Get that guy a t-shirt, would you?